McDonald's serves almost 70 million customers every day worldwide. That's a lot of burgers and fries. But have you ever wondered how they make those famous hamburgers? From the farm to the fryer, let's find out what goes into making them, and if they're really as good as they seem. To understand the McDonald's hamburger we know today, we need to look at its beginnings. In 1940, Richard and Maurice McDonald opened their first restaurant in San Bernardino, California. Originally a drive-in barbecue, they quickly realized the key to success was speed and efficiency. In 1948, they changed their menu and focused on burgers, fries, and shakes. They introduced the Speedy service system, a new way to prepare food quickly, which helped make fast food popular and easy for everyone. In 1954, Ray Kroc, a milkshake machine salesman, noticed how well the McDonald Brothers restaurant ran and saw the potential to expand their idea nationwide. He convinced them to franchise, and in 1961, he bought the business from them. Under Kroc's leadership, the focus was on growing the business, making operations the same at every location, and ensuring a consistent experience. Kroc's vision helped turn McDonald's into a well-known brand, and it quickly expanded beyond the United States, becoming a global success. By the 1970s, McDonald's had become a cultural icon, adding breakfast items, salads, and more to its menu. Still, the hamburger was at the core of its success. It wasn't just a fast meal anymore. The McDonald's hamburger became a part of everyday life, known for its golden arches and tasty, simple food. Over the years, McDonald's has stayed true to its focus on speed, consistency, and quality, adjusting to changes while keeping its unique identity. Today, McDonald's is in over 100 countries, serving millions of customers every day. The hamburger, along with fries and milkshakes, remains the heart of the brand. From one drive-in to a global giant, McDonald's growth shows the power of efficient processes, innovation, and understanding what customers want. The Golden Arches now stand for more than just fast food. They represent convenience, quality, and affordable meals worldwide. Now that we know the history, let's take a look inside the factory to see how McDonald's makes the burgers we love today. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger starts with the beef, the key part of every patty. McDonald's gets its beef from large suppliers who follow strict quality and safety rules. These suppliers work with farms mainly in the United States, Canada, and Australia to ensure a steady supply of top-quality beef. McDonald's makes sure that every patty, no matter where it's served, meets the same high standard. McDonald's chooses suppliers who focus on animal care, sustainability, and being open about the supply chain. The cattle are usually fed a mix of grass and grain, with grain feeding at the end of their growth helping improve the beef's marbling. This marbling gives the beef its rich flavor and tenderness that McDonald's is known for. Even with large-scale production, McDonald's ensures the beef is 100% pure with no artificial preservatives. Mass production brings its own challenges, but McDonald's works hard to make sure everything is consistent and safe. From taking care of the animals to transporting the beef, a team makes sure everything meets McDonald's standards. The company focuses on quality control at every step, so each patty tastes and feels the same, no matter where you are in the world. After the cattle are processed, the beef is carefully inspected to make sure it meets McDonald's standards for taste, texture, and safety. Once approved, the beef is sent to special processing plants, where it is turned into McDonald's famous patties. Every step of the process is closely managed to ensure that each hamburger matches the brand's promise of quality. The meat processing plants that supply McDonald's are highly efficient. In these advanced facilities, the beef is trimmed and sorted to achieve the perfect lean-to-fat ratio of 85-15. This ensures the patties stay juicy without being too greasy, giving the perfect bite every time. These plants are built for speed and precision, producing millions of patties daily. They combine cutting-edge technology with years of experience to deliver a consistent product on a huge scale. Once the beef is sorted, it's ground into a smooth, even texture and blended to make sure every patty is the same, no matter when or where it's cooked. This mix is then put into automated machines that shape the beef into perfectly round patties. The machines are set to ensure consistency, weighing and measuring each patty to meet McDonald's standards. Thanks to this process, Tens of thousands of patties are made every hour, so every customer, whether in busy New York or quiet Singapore, gets the same high-quality burger. After the patties are shaped, they go through flash freezing. This fast freezing keeps the beef's natural flavor and stops large ice crystals from forming, which could affect the texture. Flash freezing also helps keep the patties fresh during transport, making sure they reach each restaurant in great condition. The process is quick and effective, keeping the patties juicy and well-textured as they are shipped to McDonald's locations around the world. Once frozen, the patties are packed and shipped to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. There, they are grilled to perfection with that classic sizzle. From start to finish, this process mixes modern technology with efficient methods, making sure every McDonald's burger tastes great no matter where you're eating it. At the restaurant, grilling is where the magic happens. McDonald's uses a special clamshell grill that heats the patty from both sides. This method cooks the burger in under a minute, locking in juices and giving it a perfect sear. The process is fast and, most importantly, consistent. No matter where you are, the grill ensures every patty is juicy, flavorful, and safe to eat. This grill system is anything but ordinary. It's set with exact settings to cook each patty to the right temperature for both safety and flavor. The clamshell grill cooks both sides at once, making sure the patty stays juicy. This attention to detail helps McDonald's keep its high standards. The result is a burger with great texture and taste in every bite. As the patties cook, extra fat is drained off, stopping them from becoming too greasy. This keeps the beef juicy and tender without the burger being too heavy. Over time, the process has been adjusted to make sure the patty is full of flavor but not too greasy. Managing the fat while cooking helps make the burger satisfying without being too heavy. From the moment the patty hits the grill to when it's served, every step is carefully planned. The grilling process ties everything together. The quality beef, well-formed patties, and precise cooking make the McDonald's hamburger. The key is in the details, and it's the mix of technology, consistency, and attention that makes sure each burger tastes just as good as the last. No hamburger is complete without its bun, and McDonald's has perfected it. The buns are made in bakeries that produce millions of identical ones each day. The recipe uses wheat flour, water, yeast, and a bit of sugar for a slight sweetness that pairs well with the beef patty. The quality ingredients and attention to detail make McDonald's buns stand out. These bakeries follow strict standards to ensure each batch meets McDonald's requirements for texture, flavor, and consistency. The process begins by mixing the dough and letting it rise to the right consistency. After that, the dough is divided into portions and shaped to match the size of the patty. Industrial ovens bake the dough to a perfect golden brown color, giving it a soft yet sturdy texture. Baking at the right temperature and for the right time creates a bun that holds up to the burger without getting soggy or falling apart. Each bun is made carefully to support the patty while offering a satisfying bite. After baking, the buns are cooled to keep them fresh. Then, sesame seeds are added for both a signature look and a slight crunch that contrasts with the soft bread. Once fully prepared, the buns are flash frozen to lock in freshness and maintain their quality during transport. Flash freezing helps keep the softness and flavor while making it easier to ship them to restaurants. Like the patties, the buns are delivered to McDonald's restaurants worldwide, ready to be paired with the freshly grilled beef. The focus on quality and consistency from baking to freezing ensures every bun perfectly complements the patty. Whether you're in a busy city or a quiet town, the bun is always soft, sturdy, and fresh, making it the perfect base for the rest of the ingredients. At McDonald's, the assembly line is where everything comes together to make the iconic hamburger. This process mixes speed and precision. Once the patty is cooked and the bun is toasted, they're paired with classic toppings like ketchup, mustard, pickles, and onions. Every step on the assembly line is optimized for speed without sacrificing quality. This fast-paced system ensures a perfect burger every time at a large scale. Each ingredient is measured exactly to McDonald's standards for consistency. Automated dispensers make sure the right amount of each topping is added, so every burger is the same, no matter where it's made. This automation reduces mistakes, keeping the process smooth and efficient while balancing the flavors. Once the toppings are added, the patty and bun come together perfectly, creating a satisfying and consistent burger. Once the burger is put together, it's wrapped or boxed based on the customer's preference. The packaging keeps the burger fresh and prevents it from falling apart. After wrapping, the burger is placed in a warming area to stay at the right temperature until it's ready to be served. This final step ensures it's ready to enjoy right after ordering. The entire process is built for speed, allowing McDonald's to serve thousands of customers daily without compromising on quality or taste. The process shows how humans and machines work together smoothly. Skilled workers and machines ensure each burger is made to high standards. The assembly line brings everything together: the carefully sourced beef, perfectly grilled patties, and ideal buns into the perfect McDonald's hamburger. This mix of technology, efficiency, and precision allows McDonald's to serve the same delicious burger to millions of people every day. To keep the food fresh and consistent, McDonald's adds a few ingredients to its buns and condiments. For example, calcium propionate prevents mold in the buns, and citric acid keeps the pickles crisp. These additives are commonly used in the food industry in small amounts to ensure safety and freshness on a large scale. While some might question their use, they help McDonald's deliver fresh-tasting food that meets high standards everywhere. Salt and sugar are also important for the great taste of McDonald's hamburgers. Salt brings out the flavor of the beef, and sugar balances the tanginess of the condiments. Together, these ingredients make sure every burger tastes the same and keeps customers coming back. While additives are needed for consistency, it's the right mix of science and flavor that makes McDonald's hamburgers so popular worldwide. From the farm to your tray, making a McDonald's hamburger shows how efficient and innovative the process is. Every step, from getting the beef and baking the buns to putting the burger together, is done to ensure a tasty and consistent product. This mix of tradition and modern methods is what keeps McDonald's leading the fast food industry. So, the next time you enjoy a McDonald's hamburger, you'll know the story behind the flavors. Do you think McDonald's hamburgers hold up to the competition, or do you have another favorite fast food burger? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into your favorite foods. See you next time.